Learners, you should be quiet. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you give it a pass. So Mr. Musomi, you give out the mic so that they introduce themselves for the purpose of awarding of marks from the adjudicators.
I'm Gabriel Giti.
Let us be silent, please. You start again, the name and the class or the grade.
Gabriel Giti, 8 Elites.
Brian Angweni, 8 Heroes. Ferguson Oruta, 8 Achievers.
Denzel Okioga, 8 Heroes.
Brian Moreka, 8 Achievers.
Bravian Nyarikini, 6 Achievers.
Benson Nyamoringo, 8 Elites.
Joshua Bravin, 5 Heroes.
The first question. What word is spelled incorrectly? Every single dictionary. What word is spelled incorrectly in every single dictionary? Giti.
Incorrectly.
1 mark.
Thank you.
Whoever raises up the hand, whoever raises up the hand first, Musomi will give you the mic and you'll have that chance to give the answer as fast as possible. The next question. What gets wetter the more it dries? What gets wetter the moment it dries or the more it dries?
Towel.
1 mark. The next question. What is always coming but never arrives? What is always coming but never arrives? The spectators, you be quiet.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Correct. 1 mark.
Thank you.
Another question. What never ask a question but what never ask question but gets answered all the time? What never ask a question but gets answered all the time? Nyamoringo.
Equation.
No. Another trial from any of the participants. What never ask a question but gets answered all the time? Brian Angweni.
Asks.
Yes?
Asks.
No. Last trial.
Ears.
Ears. No. Lastly.
Answer.
Nyarikini.
Answer.
Answer. No, you have tried. The correct answer there is a mobile phone. The next question. What can one catch that is not thrown? What can one catch that is not thrown?
A cold.
Cold. Correct. Another question. Okay. Another question. What goes up but never ever comes down? What goes up but never ever goes down? Yes.
Age.
Age. Correct.
Give him a hand of applause. This man.
The age will always goes up but never comes down.
Chunga usitoke jukwani bila kujibu swali.
So wait, I have a big database of questions. That is why I'm selecting the cheap one. Okay. What has a face and 2 hands but no arms or legs? What has a face and 2 hands but no arms or legs?
A clock.
A clock. Correct. 1 mark. I start out tall. I start out tall, but the longer I stand, the shorter I grow. What am I? Spectators, you keep quiet. I have said, I start out tall, but the longer I stand, the shorter I grow. What am I?
A shadow.
A shadow? No. Ferguson?
Grass.
Grass? No. Giti?
Candle.
A candle. Correct. 1 mark.
Very good. Gabriel Ngetai.
Okay, the next question, if you know, you know. What can run but not walk? What can run but not walk? What can run but not walk? Nyarikini.
A river.
A river, you have tried. Next trial, Ferguson.
Time.
Time, no. It can run but not walk. It can't walk, but it can run. Another trial. Nyarikini again.
Runway.
Runway, you've tried. Another trial. Okay. So you give it a pass. The correct answer is raindrops. They'll never walk, but they run. Thanks to me, you can see straight through the wall. What am I? Who was the first to raise up the hand? Don't give Giti. Giti has answered many questions. Kindly give Brian to try also.
Emira.
Emira? No. Yes, Brian. Denzel?
A window.
A window, correct.
Thank you.
Another question. Okay. What has a thumb? What has a thumb and 4 fingers, but is not actually alive? What has a thumb, 4 fingers, but it is not actually alive? Nyamoringo was the first one to raise up the hand. Oh, Ruta. It's okay.
A hand.
A hand. Hand has life. Yes. 1 thumb, 4 fingers, but it doesn't have life. If you know, you know. Yes, Gabriel.
A glove.
A glove, correct.
Give a hand of applause to Gabriel Ngitai. Ngitai is answering question like machine.
Giti, it seems people might think that we were together, but I don't know how you are getting these answers. Even me, I'm shocked. The next question. Everyone in the world needs it. Everyone in the world needs it, but they usually give it without taking it. Everyone in the world needs it, but they usually give it out. Sorry, they normally give it without taking it. What is it?
Air.
Air? No. Yes?
Oxygen.
Oxygen? No. If you know, you know. Yes.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen? No. Lastly?
A name.
I'm not getting you.
A name.
I'm not getting you.
Name.
What?
Name.
Name? No. Everyone in the world need it, but they usually give it without taking it. What is it? It is an advice. Another question. What has a head, a tail, but does not have a body? It has a head and a tail without a body. Ferguson.
Wind vane.
Wind vane. No. You're too much in science. Okay, Giti is the one.
A coin.
Coin. Give him a clap. A coin has a head and a tail, no body. Giti, it seems that you are in a different level. Okay. What a 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? I have said, what a 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Short.
Short. Nyarikini, a clap. 1 mark.
That's a grade 6.
Yes, that's an
Thank
answer
you.
from grade 6. It is very nice. Another question. Words get sharper. Word gets sharper the more you use it. Words get sharper the more you use it. Denzel.
Your mind.
Your mind or brain. Correct. 1 mark.
Thank you.
Another question. What can you make that no one, not even you, can see? What can you make that no one, not even you, can see? You can make it, no one can see it, and even you yourself, you cannot see it.
A thought.
A thought? No. You can make it, you cannot see it, and even everyone cannot see it.
Coffin.
Yes, Ferguson?
Coffin.
I'm not getting you?
Coffin.
Coffin? No. The maker of the coffin is able to see it.
Blood.
Wait a bit. Yes, come up again.
Blood.
No.
Sound.
Very simple answer. No.
A word.
A word? No. You can see a word. You can make it, you cannot see it, and even the other person cannot see it.
Imagination.
A pass. The correct answer is noise. You can make noise, you cannot see it. Okay. Another question. What belongs to you? What belongs to you? Everyone, even I have not finished the question. What belongs to you? Let me finish the question and then you have that chance. What belongs to you but gets used by everyone else more than you?
Name.
Your name. 1 mark. Another question. I am so fragile. I am so fragile that if you say my name, you will break me. What am I? Not Giti. Giti has answered many questions correctly. Nyarikini. Wait. Nyarikini.
Rule.
What?
Rule.
No. Okay, now Giti.
Secret.
Secret. No. I repeat the question. I am so fragile. I am so fragile that if you say my name, you will break me. What am I? The spectators, keep quiet. The audience, keep quiet, please. You are giving out answers, which is not correct.
Silence.
Silence. 1 mark. Okay, another. We are almost winding up. What is full of holes? What is full of holes? Even I have not finished the question. What is full of holes but can still hold liquid? What is full of holes in a mashimo mingi but it can still hold liquid?
Skin.
Tried? No.
Soil.
Audience quiet, please. No.
A sponge.
A sponge. That is correct. Okay. What runs but never walks? What runs but never walks? Murmurs but never talks. Has a bed but never sleeps. And has a mouth but never eats. Keep quiet, audience. I have said, what runs but never walk, murmurs but never talk, has a bed but never sleeps, and has a mouth but never eats.
River.
Yes?
River.
I'm not getting you?
River.
A river, correct. I hope you have recorded. We can remain with the best two so that now we go to finals. The rest, we drop them. Denzel and Gabriel Giti. Rigiji. The rest, thank you for participating. Next time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So the two of you, it doesn't matter who answered many questions, but you are in finals. I'll give out around 5 or 6 questions. Whoever answered the maximum emerges the winner of the game.
Sir?
Because of time. The first question to the finalists. The first question, audience, you be quiet, please.
Order.
We are in finals, around 5 to 6 questions. What travels the world while stuck in one spot? Oh my God. Gabriel, they can be seated, eh? Can sit down.
Stamp.
A stamp, correct. Give him a clap. That is 1 mark. Which room has no walls? 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 Ni nyumba lakini haina ukuta. Which room has no walls? Which room has no walls? Seems that one is very difficult, eh? So you give it a pass? Give it a pass? The answer is mushroom. Mushroom. What has 4 eyes but can't see? What has 4 eyes but can't see? What has 4 eyes but can't see? I told you this is final, so expect very tough questions. Giti, expect tough question. Okay, you give it a pass? You give it a pass? The correct answer is Mississippi. The next question. This one is simple. Where is an ocean? Where is an ocean with no water? Where is an ocean with no water? Yes, tell me now. Where is an ocean but no water? There is an ocean somewhere but no water. Denzel?
Antarctic. Antarctic.
No, you have tried. Giti?
The moon.
The moon? No, you have tried. So you give it a pass, or you want to try for the last time? The answer is a map. In a map you can see this is an ocean, but there is no water there. The next question. What starts with IS? What starts with IS, ends with A and D, and has LA in the middle?
An island.
An island, correct. Another one. What has a neck but no head? What has a neck but no head? And even it is just here. Yes, it has a head but no, sorry, it has a neck but no head.
A bottle.
A bottle, correct. 1 mark. Okay, another one. What gets bigger and bigger the more you take away from it? What gets bigger and bigger the more you take away from it? Yes, Gabriel Giti.
A hole.
A hole. Wakati unazidi kuchimba na inazidi kuwa kubwa. Unatoa mchanga inazidi kuwa kubwa. That is a hole. Haya, next one. I have 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs. Kindly audience, quiet. I have 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs. What am I? 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs. What am I? Very simple one. Who is ready to answer that? Yes, I have 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs. Yes, Denzel.
A table.
A table? No. A table doesn't have a head. Yes, Giti.
Cloth hanger.
You pass.
Yes, I pass.
You pass. The correct answer is a bed. Yes. Miguu. Yes. Kitanda ya kulalia. Another one. What has 1 eye but can't see anything at all? What has 1 eye but cannot see anything at all? Adjudicator, how are the score? Can we get the winner or we want to break the tie? We want to break the tie. Correct. Whoever answers that one is the winner. I'll stop there. But if there is no answer, we continue more. More question. What has 1 eye but can't see anything at all? It has 1 eye but can't see anything at all. Giti.
A bottle.
A bottle? No.
A camera.
Audience, let us be quiet please. Tutakosana vibaya sana. Amesema camera? No. Jibu imetoka kwa audience, but audience tutakosana. Let us be quiet. So all of you have failed. The audience, what is the answer? A needle. Correct. It only has 1 eye but cannot see at all. Audience, tunyamaze. Okay, this one now is very simple. Whoever raises up the hand very fast emerges the winner. If you are running, you are in a running competition, and you passed the second person. Oh my God. So what place will you be in now? So all of you, you raise up your hand. So the 2 of you, what is the answer? That one is for free.
The second person.
Yeah, you are the second, eh? You are in a competition, you pass the second person, so you are in which position? You are the second because there is another person ahead of you. So that one, you don't award a mark. Mr. Mosomi, you need to be very keen, eh? to see who is the first to raise up the hand. Another question. Okay, this one is very simple again. If the vice president were to die, for this case in Kenya, Rigiji, who is supposed to be the president? Gabriel Giti.
The president.
The president, Gabriel Giti, 1 mark, and he emerges the winner. That is the end of If You Know, You Know. Thank you. Mr. Musomi, you can now take over.
Asante sana. Thank you so much, Mr. Kipchumba.